So for today, let's learn how to write a basic email. So a lot of us are doing online classes, and students need to learn how to properly send emails to their teachers. So how do we do that? Let's start with the subject. Here, what you put in is a brief description of whatever it is that you're sending. For example, submitting analytical essay, analyzing advertisement images, or you could just say advertisement images. It has to be something that explains exactly the content of your email. You start with a salutation. You say, "Dear," and then the name of the person. "Dear Miss," if it's a woman, or "Mr." if it's a man, comma. You can start with the greetings. "Good day." If you're submitting something, you can just say, "This is to submit my analytical essay analyzing advertisement images." You can highlight the ones that you want your teacher or the recipient to remember. And then you end with a closing message. You say, "Best regards," or "Sincerely yours," and then comma. And then you put in your name. If you're not a teacher or a writer, "student," and then your grade. Or you could just say grade 9 student or grade 8 student. Okay? So this is how you send an essay. If you're asking something to your teacher, you can just replace this with a question. This is regarding the analytical essay. The analytical essay homework. May I know the deadline? Keep it simple. Alright? Of course, because your query changes, this will become deadline of analytical essay. Right? Okay. And then, of course, if you're attaching something, attach it here. Alright? Make sure that it is the correct file. Alright? And then, make sure that you will be sending it to the right email address. Okay? So that is how you send an email. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and have a good day ahead of you. Bye!